Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to redeem codes in Kingshot. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you should be able to redeem code once you unlock the features. So just go ahead and level up a bit, probably by upgrading your town hall. But anyways, once you've done so, just go ahead to the top left corner of the game, or pretty much the profile, the governor profile that you have. Then what you're going to have to do next is to just pretty much go to the bottom right corner, which is the cog button over here, technically the settings. Then you should be able to find the gift code button over here, right below the notifications. So once you press the gift code button, you should be able to enter your gift codes or the redeem codes in Kingshot. Make sure the redeem code that you're going to go ahead and put is active. And if it is active, so you should be able to get the rewards immediately once you put in an active and correct gift code. But anyways, that's about it. So that's basically how you can redeem codes in Kingshot. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.